AI talking videos are exploding right now. But what if I told you that Grok AI just released a free update that allows your AI images to sing with perfect lip sync? Yes, perfect lip sync. And you don't need the paid version. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create your own AI singing video from scratch using Grok AI and ChatGPT. So don't skip any part of this video because every single step matters for consistency. And before we dive in, if you love AI content like this, click the like button right now and subscribe. Let's get into it. The first thing you need is your lyrics and a structured video prompt. Open ChatGPT and type. I just discovered that Grok AI videos can now sing with perfect lip sync. Please give me 30-second song lyrics along with full guidance on how to structure the prompt, including the music style, tone, vocal expression, emotional direction, and detailed singing instructions, so I can create the song properly using Grok AI for AI video generation. Click Enter, and ChatGPT will immediately give you the lyrics, the structured prompt template. Now generate your image. Simply tell ChatGPT, give me a realistic image prompt for this video. Copy the image prompt and head over to Whisk AI. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for a YouTube long-form video. Paste the prompt, click Generate, and download your image. Next, copy the full structured template from ChatGPT. We're going to use it repeatedly. Now open Grok AI. If you don't have it yet, download it from your App Store and sign up. Once inside, click on Imagine. Switch to video mode. Remember, the free version gives you only 6 seconds per clip. And that's perfectly fine. We'll build the full song clip by clip. Upload the image you want to animate. Once the image loads, paste your full structured prompt into the text box. Now listen carefully. At the top of your prompt, insert your lyrics in quotation marks. Why quotation marks? Because that tells Grok exactly where to start and stop singing. If you don't do this, it may talk instead of sing. Also clearly write, "She should sing." Do not assume the AI understands. Direct it clearly. Then click Generate. When your clip is ready, check.
I press the button, and now the future's calling. From 5 silent words to a voice that's soaring. I press the button, and now the future's calling. From 5 silent words to a voice that's soaring. I press the button, and now the future's calling. From 5 silent words to a voice that's soaring.
Lip sync accuracy, expression, tone, emotion. If it's not perfect, redo it. You are in control. Never settle for almost good. Once satisfied, download the clip. Now here's the secret to consistency. Do not delete the full prompt structure. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the second set of lyrics. Return to Grok, delete only the previous lyrics from the text bar, and paste the new lines. Keep everything else intact. The only thing you change each time is the lyrics. Click Generate and wait. Now your next clip is ready. Play it and review.
Turn it on, let the magic begin. I got dark from within. Turn it on, let the magic begin. I got dark from within.
This method maintains the same character, the same voice tone, the same lighting, the same mood, the same camera style. Repeat this process until you've generated all parts of your song. Now open your editing software. I use CapCut. Import all the clips. Arrange them in order. Adjust timing if necessary. Make everything flow naturally. Then export your final video. And just like that, you've created a fully AI-generated singing video with perfect lip sync, for free. If this tutorial helped you, don't just watch and leave. Like this video, it helps the algorithm push this content to more creators. Subscribe if you want more powerful AI tutorials like this. And in the comments, tell me, are you going to create a singing AI video after watching this?
I press the button, and now the future's calling. From 5 silent words to a voice that's soaring. Watch the pixels come alive and sing. This is more than tech, it's every